Okay, so today's look, we're gonna be using this palette. I got it from my grandma. Oh shit. Got it from my grandma. I don't know where the hell she got it, but we're going in with that red color. It looks pink on the camera, but it actually is pretty red in person. So you're just gonna go in with windshield wiper motions. Then you're gonna go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette. That was a little bit more red, so then we're gonna go in with that. Then on the outer crease or whatever, we're gonna go in with those two purples basically, and you're gonna like press into it and then start blending in with the reds. And you're just gonna go back and forth, windshield wiper motion, and then blend it kinda, because it kind of looks messy at first. It was kind of looking like ugh, so I was kind of getting scared. So we're just gonna keep blending. Then you're gonna go in with that black and do the same thing you kind of did with the purple, except kind of like extend it to the end. You don't want it all over the eyelid, just on that outer corner, and just blend, because you don't want the black to take over too much, because we're going to do a cut crease, but a cut crease with 3 different colors. So then you just keep on blending, and then you're gonna go in with the Estee Lauder concealer, and then this is where we're getting into the cut crease portion of the eye look. This eye look is super easy. It just looks difficult, but it's really nothing to it, to be honest. So then you're just gonna keep on and take as much time as you need to cut the crease. Don't rush, because you want this look to look perfect. And then you're just gonna go in back again with the black. Then you're gonna take the Jaclyn Hill palette and get that light pink color, and then that's the first color that you're gonna start off with the cut crease. Then you're just gonna keep on patting it until you get the achieved color that you want, because it was kind of hard to get. And then you're gonna go in with that pink, but then I noticed the pink doesn't really work. That pink wasn't really like showing up, so I was like, no. So then we're gonna go in with the Take Me to Brazil palette in that brighter pink. I mean, it was the same pink, but I don't know why the other one wasn't showing that well. I guess because it was like a drugstore pink. I don't know, the color wasn't that great. So then you're just gonna blend those 3 in as much as you can, because you don't want that precise like 3 cut looking cut crease. Like, you don't literally want it to be like, oh, I could tell it's light pink, then a hot pink, and then black or purple. Like, you have to blend your shit. Then you're gonna go in with the NYX eyeliner, and you're gonna do your wing, sis. And this takes a little bit of time because you're trying to perfect your wing and you don't want it to look cray-cray. So, yeah. Just take your time on the wing, girl. I'm so surprised I did it good on camera, to be honest with you, because half the time I'll be just looking a hot-ass mess. Then you're going to go in with this bareminerals lash domination mascara. I don't really know how to feel about it because that was my first time using it, so yeah, but I just put some mascara on. They're gonna go in with these lashes. They're from Bombshell Cosmetica. They I actually got them because, well, actually my cousin got them for me because she seen Nancy's video and she was like, she didn't like the lash, so she gave it to me because it was too dramatic for her. So yeah, I used those lashes and they're actually pretty cute. And then you're just gonna glue it on. I had a little time. I was kind of struggling with the lashes. I don't know what was wrong with me that day, but yeah. So you're just gonna press down on your lashes, girl. And then that's basically the completed look. But then the only step we have left is the under eye, and that's where you're basically just gonna drag out the red, kind of the reddish color. And yeah, and then so I went in with eyeliners. I went in with the pencil eyeliner, and then I went in with a gel black eyeliner because I couldn't find my black lipstick and I wanted this to be an anti-Valentine's Day look. And yeah, that's all I could find, so that's what we came up with, girl. And yep, gothic Valentine's Day queen. Thank you so much for watching my video. This concludes the anti-Valentine's Day makeup look. I wanted to do something different because everybody else is doing Valentine's Day looks, you know, so I feel like I'm one of the first people to do like an anti-Valentine's Day makeup look, because yeah, first off, I'm kind of like behind to begin with the makeup looks, and I've been wanting to do a makeup look for Valentine's Day. I'm like, I just got like lost. Yeah, I've been wanting to do a look for Valentine's Day, but I've been kind of lost and I haven't been having like any inspiration. But I knew I wanted to do like an anti Valentine's Day look, so this is what I came up with. I tried to make it kind of dark. I didn't really want to do like, I don't know how to explain it, like where it looks gothic. I still kind of wanted to incorporate Valentine's Day with it, but like kind of against Valentine's Day. You feel me? So this was the outcome. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will be posting a Valentine's, well actually I'll be doing kind of like a Valentine's Day special, so make sure you look out for that, and with makeup and like clothing and stuff like that. And I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new, subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff, and see y'all next time.